The digital age is upon us. It transforms how we live, work, and connect. Onpassive stands at the forefront of this revolution. It's a company driven by innovation and a commitment to a better future. Onpassive aims to empower individuals and businesses globally. It offers cutting-edge artificial intelligence and digital marketing solutions. Their goal is to create a level playing field where everyone can thrive. This vision is not just about technology, it's about people. Onpassive understands that technology should serve humanity, not the other way around. But before we go any further, please like, comment, and subscribe below. Thanks. At the heart of Onpassive's offerings lies the transformative power of AI, a technology that is reshaping the future. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a game changer that is revolutionizing industries across the globe. This technology can analyze massive amounts of data, identify patterns, and make intelligent decisions with incredible speed and accuracy. Onpassive leverages AI to automate tasks, personalize experiences, and provide businesses with valuable insights that drive growth and efficiency. From targeted marketing campaigns to streamlined customer service, AI is changing how businesses operate, making them more responsive and effective. But the benefits of AI extend far beyond the business realm, touching every aspect of our lives. AI can revolutionize healthcare, education, and countless other sectors, making our lives easier, healthier, and more fulfilling by providing innovative solutions to complex problems. Imagine a world with greater economic opportunity for all. This is the world Onpassive is helping to create. By providing access to powerful tools and resources, Onpassive empowers individuals to become entrepreneurs and build their own businesses. This has a ripple effect on the global economy. As more people enter the workforce and contribute to the market, we see job creation, increased innovation, and a surge in economic activity. This isn't just about making money, it's about creating a more equitable and sustainable future for everyone. Section 4. Empowering businesses, empowering individuals. Onpassive offers a wide range of products and services designed to help businesses of all sizes succeed. From small startups to large enterprises, their solutions are tailored to meet the unique needs of each business. Their marketing platform, for example, provides businesses with the tools they need to reach their target audience effectively. This includes advanced analytics, automated campaigns, and personalized marketing strategies. For individuals, Onpassive offers opportunities for financial freedom and personal growth. Whether you're looking to start a new career, enhance your skills, or achieve financial independence, Onpassive has resources to support your journey. By joining the Onpassive community, individuals can learn new skills, connect with like-minded entrepreneurs, and build a successful future. The platform provides access to a wealth of knowledge, mentorship, and networking opportunities. This is a win-win situation. Businesses thrive, and individuals find pathways to success. As businesses grow, they create more opportunities for individuals, further fueling economic growth. This symbiotic relationship ensures a prosperous future for all involved. Section 5. Joining the Onpassive revolution, a gateway to success. The Onpassive movement is gaining incredible momentum, and now is the perfect time to get involved and be part of this transformative journey. By becoming an Onpassive member, you gain access to their cutting-edge suite of AI-powered tools and the unwavering support of a global community of like-minded individuals. Whether you're an experienced entrepreneur or just starting your business journey, Onpassive provides the essential guidance, mentorship, and resources you need to succeed and thrive. Their comprehensive training programs and robust support system ensure that you're never alone on your journey, offering assistance every step of the way. This is about more than just joining a company. It's about becoming part of a revolutionary movement that's changing the world and creating a brighter future for everyone involved. Section 6. A brighter future, powered by Onpassive. The future is full of challenges, but it's also full of hope. Onpassive offers a vision of a future where technology empowers humanity. It's a future where everyone has the opportunity to succeed. By embracing innovation and collaboration, we can create a world where technology serves as a force for good, driving progress and prosperity for all. Onpassive is leading the way towards this brighter future. Let us seize this opportunity and build a better tomorrow, together. For more information about Onpassive, please go to the description below. Thank you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.